Come on, you want to center it for me? Because allegedly, I don't know how to put on stickers.
Allegedly?
Allegedly, yes.
Who said that?
Everybody that I know.
I don't let people put stickers on my car.
Oh, he does
so
not.
Everybody knows. But 9-second tuna over here is a special guy.
What was that commercial back in the day? The ooh-ah feeling? Only at Master Giant? Shut up! It's not even center. It's crooked.
Oh well, there it goes. I told you. I warned you. I fair warned you.
We're gonna put some more power to Andy's. The what? Okay. We're gonna. Andy's getting ready to do his first pass on more boost. How do you feel?
Pretty confident.
Yep. I mean, you got those big old tractor tires, so it's definitely gonna hook. It's got more power in it, so it should be a solid pass, bro. 8's today. 8's.
Oh, for sure.
Make sure you do a solid burnout. Have you checked the air pressure in your tires?
I'm gonna check right now.
Okay.
Hey Juan, why is the truck so high from your back?
Oh, it's got big old tractor tires on it.
John Deere tires?
Those John Deere. He went to John Deere and said, "Give me your biggest tire you got for tractor mowing," and that's what they gave him right there. Big old tractor.
29 and a half?
Yeah, dude. That's big tire.
I know big tire.
Put your fucking tires on.
For putting that doesn't count.
He's bagging your parachute.
And I let you borrow my generator.
You can deduct it.
That you broke already.
For wiring that thing up.
Oh, look at the wire. It looks like a chainsaw wire.
That's coming out.
I think we did it.
You need to make like a YouTube tutorial on how to pack a chute. Because there's like a whole bunch of people that have done it and they're all trash.
That's a good point.
Like, it didn't
Zip tie it to something.
It didn't make sense to me until you told me how to do it.
We'll just edit you in packing it yourself.
Yeah, this is how the way you do it, guys. Let me get a So, is this something you're just gonna show Juan what you're gonna end up doing to him on y'all run, or?
Oh, he's gonna get gapped.
He's gonna get gapped.
By the end of the night, he will.
No excuses.
No,
Spinning the tires. If he spins the tires, anything.
Do a second gear, brother. They get locked in second. None of that.
Right now. What? Your 90s, playboy. Want to go faster? 3. I'm sorry, 3. Want to go faster? Look good?
My boy clicking off an 8.9 in the rat rod. Getting filmed right now by 1320, Fred from 1320. 8.9 at 153 is what it ran. We still got tons of room to go with it, especially at the launch. I mean, it killed it so far.
You feeling? Yeah.
Got in too soon.
So we got Solomon getting ready to make a pass, and also Andy on his second pass. We turned it up once more. See if we can get a little faster than the 8-second pass on this one. Looks like we're gonna end up racing Solomon against the Rat Rod today. See who takes the win on that one. All right, Andy, light it up good. Let's see you click off another 8. Gotta back it up to mean it. Well, I don't know why you tried to bump in. You should have left it alone. Truck action going on. Will you go line them up? Matt, give us your good luck blessing right now.
Alright, good luck. Don't let him red light this time.
Yeah, fucking asshole. Yeah, he got a little squirrely, I had to let out. Yeah, he cut it good. Damn. He couldn't throw it. He had to let out of it mid-track. Looked like maybe he got a little sideways, but for the most part,